Good morning, guys. How una dey? Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, guys. Happy Sunday, everyone. Una do. As you come in, guys, give me love and like. God bless you. Okay. Thumbs up this video, guys. You get one information when they waka around. They say lady of song, mama. They don't go screenshot and I was like, And so, before person can't decide to go video person, mama house, that's about that. No behind, meet am rich like that. Abi, before person can't decide to go video old woman mama house, no behind, meet am rich like that before she go video old woman mama house. And they know they agree. Say you they overcome them if saga tell. Sure, you see all this presenter. When you go video lady of song mama house, they know they agree that they go they saga you. You go they reply them, they won't buy. They not go agree. Say your hand they meet them all. They not go ever agree. Say your hand they meet them at all. They go say Iragboe. If I beat you, if I do the, as you see me so, na mat I go take zanzan you. Ya agbegberawa, ya agbera igbijwe igbemi ya no legawe. I not get 1 naira to waste on your low life to go find your mama where it not make sense or your papa where it not make sense. Ema ya na gboe zanzan because era visual. Oma many know me eh. Ama e wait ya. But if person they saga una they get problem with person. Me una they agree say the person won't buy una with their maths. Me una they agree. And the second thing when I want to person when you break this news, how do you know that they go sag? Now you first know say they go video their house. How you tell no? Number 1. And number 2, what is special? Lolo papa Eddie where they carry come out. You see the rain? You know the rain again. You know the rain again. So video in person mama has so if you like video person mama uhe obun wano obun wa. There was no a time when she take come and say Ishe Mary fail. Offer your bomb so my mama na the most richest woman in this world. She say her mama no make am, her papa no make am, but she must to make am. So what do what beji. Her mama no make am, her papa no make am. She must to make am. I do not hear the music. I must to make am. I must to make am. Oh, walk bell last and check up. They go say if I saga you, yeah, when you go who will live video. If the person go una gather the saga, when they make una go they find old woman, but una not old rich. Those old women wanna they abuse. Good morning, my love. Old women wanna please guys share this video with love and like. Old women wanna go they abuse and old father wanna go they abuse. No, why not talk about ya? Yeah, me not say na gbomana ma wan ya. Ukoniju wa unu wanari ya we bodo pay madam 2 times. No si goya si wa digien. Ni uwa ege ni uwa na make anamu wa ariwa. Wa ave so esidi ye mo dan wa biele. Wa ave so esidi yin ato. Be no ukono no ukoniju wa uwe meru wa no biya undigo. No biya go. Je ni ya kene no biya agwania. No wa ave ya overcome we ni ju wa go through wa go through. Wa ave so esidi. Jiju wa tonia. Give you what on ya, like father, like mother, like daughter. Like mother, like daughter. And for una mind now I go to worry. Normal only so a seed even was so give you what on. Eh? Oh, you call me yesterday. I know they pick call like that too. Who no one so seed one at the sofa una picking life down. Una go feel say una pass that person. No. Those people love their picking. Yes, they no want so see the way, because they see una life. As una take day, they see una life as they take day. They no go want when their pikin take una step. So una no get to una they feel they overcome for this social media. Just that say, they no want the way to go water una pikin when you go pay for what una they do to experience, make their pikin experience such. Yes, now say no good doriri na gbuwa. O say no good doriri na gbuwa. Who doriri down on na gbuwa. You understand? Who doriri on na gbuwa. You know, we are with proud mom. And a woman like this they drag. Who don't gbuwa. Who know what they do? Who know what they don't commit? Who know what they don't do with their life? What they don't sow, seed where they don't sow. When they buy, when they who doriri beli yaba. Ebo ya no su who abi afiana. Now everybody no who doriri be afiana. No why afiana ni no mae. Imagine do a person get saga. For what you can't do this one for Nana. Okay, make the country for you. Who be you? He say you go video has many for Bini. You go video has okay, mama not the mansion. Most a mama there like a house. Like a mama must to day like a house. Una don't know our old mother. They even prefer that olders past new mansion. They not go follow you. Okay, you won't go tell the word say she because say she talk say she they use her house say they brag out of jealousy. So when I won't go tell the word now say she they make man see her she they use her house say they brag see her when her mama day. Abi una don't carry una mama una don't build 4 flat build duplex for una own mama. No be renovate renovate house una mama papa day. Eh? No be house when her mama day before it still day. Anyhow when the mama day. Now life be that. So I dey tell una say, now then, they saga you, now they cry. Una never know this presenter. More even a yak bring they go call live video, they go sit down, they go do grant, you promote evil. Very soon, now they go find my mama's. And I don't care. Mama na mama. Waiting special. Say una go carry old woman where you don't live her life finish. Eh? Waiting special about that. Say una go video old woman where you don't almost please don't stop this video. Where you don't almost live half of her almost alive finish. Who cares? Who cares? Say una won't go video as where old woman day. Any house where old woman day. Is that una business? They go they do like Odunga. Odunga. Me no understand why. Na me they talking who wa una like me una video. Una for even carry the mama lo why mu lovie why mu he. Atu wa we nyotuga. Wa video wa. Oro weken. Re wa na new model. Abi oro wa na new model di wa wese. Wa ma wa mu lovie. Ne so that ebono le lu he ya no le lu wa. Nu wa nyu he. Nu wa video he. Nu wa do mu ye media. Do tama emanishinya is a Beyonce. Manishima e Beyonce ije me na a fashion design. Ije me na fashion design, a fashion party. Ije me wa dress up be koko shoe asi. Ije mo pon ro mo egwe. So oni me onishe. Ije me class ni je mate fashionist. Who we are to musho ma veki. We ge be ni sho ma veji. Agberu wa gbeju wa no makoku wa say like osia na anatia na who respect who no respect mama dey abuse person mama. Osia agba gbogun shishin yan because that your mama will not trade the way. Agbogun shishin yan no makoki yan se. Agbogun shishin yan. Now them go you go they match them. They not go agree say your hand over liya. Agree who liya. Okay, because person when you got a fight. You know say na you fight me, na you win. What you go concern my mama? You know say my hand meets you. Now I make you walk cry go there. Ever wa viejo or una go cry to police or you get that na there una dey reach. Una not the shame. And they not they believe una. They not they listen to una. No level. Una not the shame. Ekwemu wa. As una report me rich. My children they house. They are there. my back bisan. My back but they go they do like say that they even get jama. Now they get the words. Please guys, give me love and like. When I get inside. If you nobody. If you man, if you very young, who you be kwa imi. Ni no kuo. When the eru wa ni big bag una when you do kuna. Issue wa ero wa no negbe oko. Ago wa ni na video issue wa. Wa do ye joma. Ago ogede ke issue wa kweta sen go to. Therefore yes so na mama na upstairs for the speech conta. Okay to amekwa. O egbe ma ve okishu na ni issue wa. Wa le abuse joma. Oh you can work to fighting you go video person mama house. Who you won't go impress me? Me where you know the trip for all those things. I be my lovers. Each una mama na fashionalistas. I be una mama na fashionist justice. Una mama na fashion party. My mama not be fashion party no. So you know go be new to me. We are Africa. All the people mama where they don't carry come and no one dress model. So our mama no go different. Our own mama no go different. So maybe we know the support it no make sense. This one no make sense. Who even post who go post and of course you see. Cause where the word ebone na move nya amugbo elo. Ado moge tete bae. Amugbo monu bie. Agmonte egbe mawe. Okay? So una not be worried or anything about what do what volu wa gan. You people are in pains. Una dey pain. So now she the leads. Or is it buwak yes now. As me this so now go saga you go video my mama. The word will not say I really mash you. Oh boy that you have no option. Yes, you have no option that to go there. Wa beruwa wa bijuwa. No way. Wa bera wa bijue. Wa bomo nubia wa border from where wa beni ya no sikewe. Who are you? Who they fear recording? For me, and to be honest, I know they fear that kind of thing because they always they talk and say no matter as your mama look like, if they post them, you will be proud of her. Because we now African people, you won't go carry your mama. They say they go video our mama house. Now Africa, as we be Africa, when we know as our mama they say now clothes, then November 7 Nigeria. Oh, where Yamamoto, Ukmo, why we jamais have any blast. A bobebo, why we have our daily. A Hollandis, when I go out for the first time at 25 Hollandis, I carry go as. Ije me ma even as je place here, work better. All are close na boba. All are close na boba. Na boba. Na ibi. So, if they waka na leg, they take the mash grant. They not be like who they are picking, they are abroad. Iya ma even a yakbe koko shoe. Se gbe na very only we had to video. Why can't talk about Evanuwa? Have de nuwa mujaga. Why can't talk about ya? Ye. Una two talk on my rovi jouer, on my post jouer. So una two get quarrel. What you come make you go video mama ass? What you call important? If not true, I will never see him. And who talk am? How do you know? Who tell you? You see, you don't see him. Eh? Not mind them. Who go do him? Damn, 10K it. 10K it. Low self-esteem. The only woman who can only bleach to go party. She's the only person that can go to that length. And now she go say, now she go they cut everybody video they put for our war. All waiting in Saka. Una don't ever all waiting in Saka all get video. All that. Opo webo lo nyega ide ke video where you on post to where post a picture where boggy da and the page already in amazing report intellectual property in me if you never mo have here a page already fe vie yani violele yani even when last week you no pe na ye gboto pakan nu sun we de ne wero wa kon agegege e jara no romo aye mi ofen o ma be you know, you pass saga, you post saga, and you post over to you. Here, cavet say, you're not here, gagbe. Ave man story yang bi hu. Opove yi se ta na ya fi mommy water no ho. Mommy water ni saro ni san ne cigaro ni san. Ne cigaro ni san mommy water no do e wo vie. Ina gbeli ya na video pe ya gbiyan na se video ya ni ya o. Ina sin ya boni ya go. Ni ya go fin ya hu ni ya go gbe o last and check up. She never come and say my mama na rich woman o. Ishiye be ere tefito rigba ishiye sashike tefito no. Ishiye make egbe o. So what you want to tell us? Say she don't first brag with her mama as a rich woman. Una come find her say her mama na bokuta has come dey stay abi. Say her mama she first brag say her mama is the most richest. Una come go locate her say na fake life. She dey live o. It's not true. Abi, is that what you want to come and tell us? Because according to her, I must to make am, oh, ime. O matter which ye fake be, o matter where ye be de Buhari, ishi ye be Buhari, ogba mujo mui, o matter where ave e Dangote, ogba flex, o mado fianya be. So what you na won't come prove? Hey, you won't go talk now, say, no, they take care of her mama. You share, and I'm we share. Yegba, you share, yegba, my big boy, yegba, my roy. You share, yegba, my way doggy. You share, yegba, my way doggy. Yegba, my ya also the Naija. You won't come tell us now, say, she not they take care of her mama. Abi, we bury no kwa, or unia, or gune. Abi, there is nothing you can tell us. Okay? There is nothing you can tell us. Please, guys, share this video. There is nothing one more bug button before video kill at you. There is nothing. Isha, you know they take care of her mama better pass Isha big beard to take care of herself. Or Isha will want to Isha will take a shoe. Error. Or na way family of tie or true where or no ya visual about visual tie then Isha you will better low. Then no ya better low eh. When ya we monkey star, doggy star, when okay, my senior war flexible. Ya walk can't catch you, I can't get the no. So you won't go tell us now, Georgia, ya see, share way, of your Egba, okay, Egba, she's contented. She's contented. I went by my way doggy. I went by my way doggy, my sister. Sorry, ba okay, oh, I'm a ba okay, or Maria Mitia, don't you present that what the wish up me. Okay, o marie media. Do tawe, do wish up on me o, and me o. So I'm against this act. That make me talk put. Yes. Why have a problem with anybody? Face the person. Face it. But you cannot chest it. Now so I do me o. I go report you come and work. I still there. I'm still working. Now 1 week crank. 1 week crank. Now I take. Just 1 week. Crack. To do my exam. I write they say. To do my exam. I write they say. May they give me 1 week. Me I tell read. They say me I read weekends. Me I, if I come for work, me I read. Me make me so lucky. I can't get my enemy no come where. My enemy no come where. Now I take crank. They said the violence will be taken by force. The 1 week when I said they give me I take read for us go write exam on Friday last week. They not give me. Now the violence will be taken by force. You know the I was not feeling fine. Yes, I was not feeling fine. Oh yes. I even try. Why 1 week me at people? Yeah, well. My holiday is coming soon. Say, you know, day. Me I read if I come for work. Me I read for evening. And I say, to God be the glory. I can't get my enemy, can't get headache. I can't get body pains. Now I can't get take crank 1 week. Now Tuesday my crank they finish. Isha. So now so it be. More I don't mind them, I love her so. More I don't mind them. Don't mind them. They just try to wave Lady of Song. Okay? They just try to waver, no level. Now any presenter we they talk say, yeah, go do your yes, gbag. Yes, well. Like that, mommy water the cigar on this. Mommy water no the small start if your mommy water no be motor. Now so they tell me when I first face Sam, get her time. When she say, you won't bring my sister, bring my brother. When I pack her generation come out, she was forced to drop on the bed. They explain. Now you see, woman, when they bought for your brother, now he give me picture. I not tell her what they say. See you give me your picture, cause she not rich. She not rich. I not tell her say see you pack your own, call give me. I not tell her, cause she not rich when I call the explain. Now she did the explain, but now they go say, yeah, it's a boy, yeah, boy. Yes, well, marriage in it is a by die, Sarah. A wood when I want to cook for January for my marriage. Now, yesterday I pay put. Iranaya levai. Ubege. My mama clothes. Now, yesterday I pay put for sewing. They don't buy a sewing money. You see, no level. No level. Marriage is going well. My marriage plan is intact. Okay? So I can't tell when I now say they no get level. Now brag, they brag. Yes. Brag. They go, if they brag, you not get mad. Wait. No level. You dey feel me? Now me they saga me, now me go sleep after no sleep. I'll carry my children out. Yeah, go where yeah, go. But they go they talk. Yeah, is a boy with their 34 view, 34 people watching or 10 people watching. Yeah, is a boy. Yeah, bera. Yeah, bijou. Where now? Yeah, you can't say boy, but na have me vie me oduga egbe me vie no honi wi me. Iwa with the berry agmo. Our young go by. I'll recall life. For me to cry. I be amazing. But we have to explain. You will be the one to drop. You will be the one to submit. You will be the one to submit. You will be the one to stop. Imagine when we have a picture of your ladia. Me, I do have a surprise. When me yam you go up ladia. Una dey hear na. I know they start with it, I know if finish. I know they start time, but start time. Start time. Unless I never get your time. I go get your, if I get your time, let me finish what I'm doing first. Yeah, I get your time. Let me get your time. Beruwa bijuwa no mama. Nonsensica. If you're no you go bien of your go. What do you expect when illiterate get better illiterate? Now no sense they go get better. No sense. They will get better. So when you go the family, go the person, mama, find papa, they find picture. Me, when they see me, they put on a picture. For waiting, they put on a yeah, mama, will not make sense, no big go for my war. It stop people not to wash them. So my people, the reason why I put this picture here, be say not because of anything. Say they don't go video mama. If they bring that mama come out, allow we just so gay. More on a trip for the mama. She's a beautiful, no matter how old she be, no matter anywhere she did. Mother is for everybody. She's supreme. Ijo mono bi egbo mona. Ijek me no. Yes. Ijo mono bi egbo mona. Okwek me. No ma big biagia. Oriye we bu o ma so si dona ari o wona. Ona ke Nigeria ozo. Ona omo dagbo ni ama ba o me. Yeah, here one 36 states. Ama ve mi koma. Ba ya ve gu me guana. We are baby bana. Mind like them. They see my bobo fresh. When they feel say hope is gone. Say that as they don't do me rich. They don't carry me rich. Talk down on me rich. I don't go ever see us banned. They don't even see it coming. People around them when he perfect, when he want to be, when he they fight for them. They not feel chest with their chest. I not go carry Atura. I carry my way with the guy that they go boom, go marry. They are crying. But they call they advise me. You for wait for 5 years. You for wait for 30 years. You for they are picking not reach 18 years before they move for them when they get female children. They get female children. They not wait make their pikin reach 10 years before they marry waiting they smell. They not wait make their pikin grow, may move on waka first. May they marry before they marry waiting they smell. But they say I for wait. I born for man, according to them. They deal with their husband after 6 years, 7 years. You must do what they do. That is, imagine the nonsense. You born for man. You can't day. Thank you, Sareti. You born for man. Una can't day for 6, 7 years before he marry you, Abi. You meet man, he marry you first. What is the difference? You born for him, if he go break, Abi. You marry him, if he go break, But they still say they get sense. You know, say, he won't go back. Me say, I for marry like, I not say I say no get a wife, they marry. They don't born finish. I must do what they do. What a useless person when he call herself learned person. She call herself learned. She say whether I not see him, women, emergency marriage. You must wear, you must know man by get bella and born like the one when I felt born before. You see how advice they give me. And at this touts, this useless nenetity. Now he advised me for Franco. When Franco toast me, I can't call and say, see what in the shop. Say Frank, say me I get belle for Ramo. He won't marry me. Say me I not try Yamo. He get woman for her, so me I tell her me go pay my bride price first. Oh, the same person. Now he they tell me say I won't do emergency marriage. Abi, woman when he advised me I know me I tell her me if I go marry me first. As he no say now, he could be my foot mash. He no get opinion to my life again. He called the advice me say, no emergency marriage, but she first advised me to do emergency marriage. Very useless woman, oh. She first advised me. Me I tell this madman, because now only madman they throw away cloth for public, to go marry me first. Before I get picky for them. Say, he no trust her, say his wife they wait for her for Nigeria. But now they say now, I won't do emergency marriage. Man, when you know, no, you how long they take the plan? She said they use marriage till they sink. Now emergency. But now, they tell me I must do what you enogie do. She would not drag enogie. I don't say all of them are the same. Oh. All of them not the same. I must do what you enogie do. I must do what she do. Okay? And they talk that one. They don't understand themselves finish. When last they fight last, they are not fight this year. Relationship. Not that I'm using it against them. Oh. Relationship fight must stay. Be married first. Oh. Be married in 10 years time first. Oh. Quarrel must stay. Just that say they pass each other. So don't let all these failures, useless people, advise you when you listen. So as they see and now say you no work, their advice no get missing. What you make me concern? Say who you the advice? She come and you do video. When I post her, she no insult me. Oh, now I call her say, okay, madam. She call the use star. They advise me. Now I call her say, madam, Ogude who you the advice? Now listen, who you want advice? She get life to advise person. Who she want advice? Or my name Agmon, or advice woman. Who go advise woman when he say he go school? If I born for Coco or Ibo, it not make sense. You go still marry. No, who should go desperate past woman? Where you not marry a country person? You want to marry a country person? Not they waiting that they plan where you know they work. I don't not be emergency. Waiting make family man, a husband family no come marriage. Marriage where they plan. They know the plans one go take come or two go take come. But now she they talk. So that kind of person go they fear talk. You want man go. Who wallo kuriere ni kai. Who wale ni digwiwa. Come, no one they listen to people. Listen, check who will advise you. They are really jealous of my man. Yes. Before what did they talk? You know get paper. Aduro, I go beg Aduro. They see they talk. No. What did they talk? I don't go beg one Aduro. But today, they see they talk, say Aduro. No. Listen to presenter. Failures. Imagine person when he just come out. He can't talk the reason why he take marry Kokobiri. Honor Bowame. 4 flatty. 4 flatty. 4 flat. I never brush. I take beds. Yes. No package for my life. 4 flat in the way normal big bag, normal pay my dad 2 times. Born that 2 years. or marry me no guiaba. If you marry man for love, any way the man be go let you take shakara. He go let you take shakara. But you know they preach love. Now, or he go man where he build that for me. He do this for me. He put me for school. Can't you do things for yourself as a woman? Can't you do things for yourself as a woman without a man? What advice are they advising you? You won't talk. I go 4 hours, during my hours of work. Why not? Maybe he commit nonsense, no verse. You tell me her name. Why not? Why not? Why would I not go screenshot or video lady of some children when he carry a single-handedly train for school? Carry to UK. Why you video any? Una know video the good ones. No go on agberu wa bijuwa. Una know I go tell me her name. I'll go and block many people. Yes, I know they take nonsense from my wall. Go they comment on my haters wall. Don't come here to comment nonsense. Una know the video are true the way she dressed. Trace go handle without bringing her. Shame and disgrace. And why you they talk too much about your marriage? Why I not go choose my marriage? It's easy to see husband. It's easy to see husband when he get class. Then when he marry garlic when they smell. No, that one. He call the zoo for my work, the defense. Or maybe no more careful about that. Now I block him off. I'll go open them. You know, let us say it the way it is. Let us say it the way it is. Why they know the video the better one? See single mother of 4. You see Nigerian man marry mother. A man when he put now let Kokobiri the help woman. And he go use all her life to work for it. Who make her who he be? If he like he use all her life to work for the man want it. Now me they talk him. All those also that they talk say the man go use them. The man they use until they make money. Now where person work. I don't follow na talk for that one. I don't ever follow na talk about that one. For me, if you be man, you contribute to my life. Chop my money. You want it. Now where person work, if they eat. All those ones, I don't know, I don't really know them. When they score the share flat, flat with somebody. Why the man no go do some make money? No one fear who more. When she and her children they struggle, before he come meet the same man, when I say he want to use and make money, where were you people? No good to go and buwa. I want to take a letter. Where you na he? I be no by ya be piano. No be man she born for. Or ya assume when you go be an piano got you over. So all those who say woman marry, he marry another person husband. He a quick man. Tell them imagine overtaking is allowed. It's yes. Iye ma, ma kwe no to ba go fwa. Tu wa no wa kwe fwa. Na force. Na force. No man, they know they ever they talk about good thing. They won't go advise who get sense. Pass them. Who get sense? And you go that where you are, my sister. And you won't tell me say I go find hours if I marry Benin man. You won't come confuse me. If I marry Benin man, you find hours, your hours. My sister, I'm ready to find hours, your hours. You know why? I go born for the man. The man will born for him. Even though we dey together, not they pay or picking money again. My children, I need the best for them. So I not go wait. Me only man can't do it all. You are a useless person. Stop discouraging our women. To go, they end up with Kokobiri. I go work because waiting only man when they work, they receive even though na 2.5 they collect. It's not enough. It's not enough. Don't mind them women, no. Choose wisely, oh, and be ready to work and also to support your husband in any way. Imagine women when they follow and there be nobody, poor people. They are too poor. Imagine when you never build as put your mama now. You call marry man, you call the born. Abi, you know work when you take support your whole family. The way man can't do everything for you. No na soon who work more. Una marry man a business na bank una marry na. Bank, sure you are welcome. Na bank you marry. You go they discuss, you go they talk out of point. You go say they advise. Now make me no see her finish. Imagine single mother won't marry. They tell her, say, you go find work, join work. If you marry Binima, or in lower, we are winner. Who? You get a winner. Imagine before I meet Binima. Am I not working? Am I not working? Don't let her come meet Binima. You don't jog any benefit. You don't more responsibility or reading. You don't more go me buy. More than God because of money out of Obewe. Go they marry man where you don't love. Because you know one also. As me day so now. If I marry man tomorrow, I decide not to work. You not go affect me. You know why? I not get brother when I get train for school. I not get sister when I get train for school. I not get mama when I won't build that for. I not get brother when I won't build that for. So we go fit chop and survive. So you, when you get responsibility of family, you get liability mama, you get liability brother, you get liability sister, you get sister when you get train for school. You don't firstly born and you never make money before. You know work. Don't work. Wait for man. May he can't carry responsibility. Because when the man when you first born for now, he chop a shower money what you do. We were just now when I advise you, I say, save your money. When you meet a man that you truly love, you go use and support them. So women born for baby papa when not married, all their life now they born puts. I'm telling you, precious. All their life, now they born puts. More than wise. If you they follow me, you don't get sense, you don't get again. All their life, now they born puts. All their service. Marriage not involved. You know if you work out. My mama will never marry me. My baby papa. Now, you know chop, you know get all the business what we do together, we buy truck together. That truck, that time, money na 20,000 naira. 20,000 naira. Finish. Ofo, we cost buy land together. He bring 300,000. Me I bring 300,000. No, Otonia omonopie move no biele. Otonia yashi. 300,000 na money. That one na big money where woman go lose. Na big money. So more na go they follow this failure useless women where not also. They because of laziness go they marry. Waiting not make sense. What time they here? As a single mother, you the family when they want to do everything for you. If they tell me, Marema, a dog where ya, who can ya now, who we are was my brother, my sister. If I never make money before, I never see money before, it was was. Because maybe if I carry my husband go vacation, if my husband can use all his money to pay bills, finish. Abi, we know if you travel because a married woman, Pikin no they comfortable, Pikin no if you wear marker, Pikin no if you wear new bed. Man go fit do all those ones alone. He may wa. The me have a way nine water for me. Be a cana. Walare. Carry a vacation. But we are not going to pay beef for ne. Every no man. Every no man. When a woman is working, a man is working. The relationship will be spicing. It will be spicing. So they there. They listen to them. That they here. That you see them when they won't go to work on a marriage. She feel buy tickets. No, but I'm going to Nigeria with my children. She not feel buy tickets. She not feel buy tickets with the pikin when he born for the man. Almighty. But she's advising you. Women also work. Carry your husband out. Yes, one person cannot do it alone. Don't listen to all those people who go say because if you marry Ghana, you marry Kokopiri, do you know respect when the day where woman they get her money? She they get her own income. I go only theirs, no work if I get belly. Once speaking, the children don't reach to go to school, I'll go work. If man just spend your finish him muya, Gayari my love. Gayari Nigeria. Now I make many children. They are made in Spain, made in Germany, made in France, made in Italy. They're not my children. Now the second time whether they go as be this, I be third time. No husbands. No husbands. When I'm not the shame. See who get husband won't go do marriage. I'm about your babu one more. If pikin they go school, he have your own holiday plan yo. Your school again. More than listen to them. Let them be motivating you people. More than they clap, they laugh. When they discourage you people. to choose white, to choose wrong husbands. Maybe they discourage you people to choose man when you don't love because of money or because of accommodation, because of anything. Do you know suffer? You know they see suffer what she did? Money tonight, if they sit down for live video, they saga or no saga. Who you never saga? Domani yema saga the mediana no sioe error. And she married man when he say it too much. Abi, not be also she dey also for the saga. Not be money they make for the saga. Be deceived. They there and be deceived with this ability. Now only be men. No be do anatok buwa. No be do anatok buwa. Now only be men on they see. Be men owi obewe. Iya gba oku. Iya gba oku we na gberan gbiri. Iya gba oku we na saga mo saga ini to put food on his table to sagbada. Iya gba oku we te akuo wa right up. U to tanyaka we live video ya gbera gburu kion yo back yon yevo. Now you won't go advise me. Abi? Now you want advice person. Now you want video person want managmo. Aga ogi jouer. Who our video your video erewe alimozi. Or mujwe jo mujwere. Go screenshot this man. Tell you what screenshot. You make back on. Don't mwe. Why gbe back mo. Aga oga limozi. Iju wa no money. Or mwe jo mwere. Who wa give video ewe o. Agmonije ven lo yo ni ju wa lo. Yeah. Or what has. When anybody can choose where he can live. Who walk bail last and shake up. Why have you tell limousine? You wafi. Now you know why you impress him to follow on a step. No, sir. Go advise me. You might need like a when ya. Got me up in your day. I'm not begging no step over. No wrong water. We are here. Ya few. One but I no was when you in your body about your money bebo yak bebo. What do I advise on? My ba advise iye basi. My ba advise mummy water no which was your home. My ba advise cheap passing or Italy no who a single girl no mamioto. My ba advise ya. No ye pata. I got you naga umea no be bully oma. O mamioto you no single. O mamie come back. You must no your water. Uwa gbeo. Wa do gwa magwa. Ozwo no mama ozwo no makon. But those screenshots to me where you are moving, that is where you belong. That is where they position you. I do have video, who do have picture, how many years on Facebook? No, they yak berawe. Wa soon will last and shake up. Oh, we ain't bomber. We bomber na ana Google kwa. And then we tell like bana ana Google kwa. We no doe wo vie. We no doe wo vie. Wa soon. See you guys later. Me I go brush my children. Chop breakfast this morning. Wait till be time. Now weekend after 8. My people, anything if they post person, mama post person, ED. May not trill now. May not trill now. Our mama na mama, not they support all those mama, whether they are not they support anybody, bully anybody, mother, father, anything. I'm against it. When I don't ever see all those nonsense from my wall. Anybody when you see from my wall, no sense at the first to me. Now the first to me, if you do me, I go do you. Because if you are my cocoa, see the which way. Yes. Now so you rich. I know they go to that length, say person mama or can't say because say mama they public or you want to go ari jerry. But you say no sense in here. You go igere you go me and no ya me agwalo. Ni ado ya mujoma e tete. You don't mo pisho ga yemi do arovio. U wa gbe o last and check ave e mona na zebie. A opa ya on. Una baba ge mojo du kune jare chao.